What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is PlayStation 5 error. And the error is that NW-102314-1, a communication error has occurred while connecting to PlayStation Network. Simple, it's a network problem. So we are going to fix this, and I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. You just simply go to the screen and then go to settings, and here we user and accounts. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and your PS5 console logged in or not. Here's the login settings. Log in PS5 automatically, and if you set the password, you just turn it off your password. And then server settings, go to the network, view PlayStation Network services. Sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on that's why. You can set your own internet connection. If you get the green option, you know the server is working up. If the red, the server is not working. And here you can set the manually MTU settings, DNS settings. You can change it which one is working good in your country. Just put it back there and set a new connection. So simply that's how you can just set your network settings or connection error. You can set it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.